Welcome back to our Halloween edition of Cooking with Chef Kell. On today's episode of Cooking with Chef Kell, we'll be making bloody punch and witch's brooms. What you'll need for the bloody punch, you're gonna need some pineapple juice, a half a gallon of Kool-Aid. For a bolder flavor, we're gonna use bold ginger ale. So first, we're gonna make our bloody punch. So you're gonna pour your half a gallon of Kool-Aid into our bowl. Now we're gonna need 2 cups pineapple juice and half a bottle of the bold ginger ale. This should be enough. And now we're gonna mix. What you'll need for the witch's brooms, you'll need pretzel sticks, and you'll also need Reese's peanut butter cups.